Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video we are going to be doing some bookmarks for our books and or our journals. I like to personally create junk journals, and Globeland sent me some beautiful crushed velvet trims or ribbons, whatever you'd like to call them. They come in a variety of 30. The link will be down below so that you guys don't have to go out and like look for it and stuff. So be sure and get you some if you feel inspired by this. I have done some with beads in the past, which I will likely do again, and or working with charms. Also, they were nice enough to give us a coupon code, so use Bianca10 to save 10% off of your purchase. I've got some of my supplies on this side, which are charms, and then the tips that go at the end of your bookmark. And they have this little thing at the end where you can attach a dangle, which is awesome because then you can customize it however you want to. So the colors that I picked out, they're basically very light colors, and I like light colors. I think I need to find me a lighter as well because they do fray a little bit at the end, and you definitely don't want that to happen. Just in case if you missed the last video that I did, I also did a project share for some spools, and they came out so cute. So just in case if you missed that and you want to watch that, I would suggest that y'all click in the description down below, and I show you guys how I went about using some of the wires that I got from Globeland and some beads, and also the unboxing for these cuties. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with whatever color. And what I like to do is go in with my lighter and kind of burn them slightly. Obviously, you're not supposed to be a child on my channel, so if you're a child, go away. Just kidding. Or get your parent to help you. I'm playing. Don't leave my channel. Okay, so here I have very slightly bent it down like this, you know, because when we attach the end of our little clasp thing here, this just helps it stay intact a lot better. So that's what we do. You don't need any glue for this. And then next, you want to get it as symmetrical as possible, right? Just like that. Looks really good. And then you're going to take your pliers, or whatever these are, your clamps. You might have a clamp, so you're going to need one. If you don't got one, you need one. And I picked these up at the Hobby Lobby, the clamps. And also pay attention to your clamps because some of them have like little teeth on it, right? One side has teeth and the other side is flat. You want your flat end to end up at the top. You want the flat end on the top of your ribbon and the teeth one on the back of your ribbon. Makes sense? It's kind of peeking through just a little bit. It doesn't bother me, but that's what you want. These come in multiple sizes, and you see how this velvet trim is a lot tinier than this one. This one's quite wide and very pretty, but this one is a smaller one. So there's different sizes that you can get them in. Also, these are great for like making chokers. I even was inspired to do like keychains and stuff. So I think velvet trim is so incredibly pretty. So we've got one down, and then you can obviously make these as long or as short as you want depending on like how big your book is, but it's coming along nicely. And I'm gonna do that with the rest of them. I don't want to keep y'all here all day, but I'm just showing you guys what I do. So here you can kind of see I've dented the velvet slightly, and then again the teeth go in the back and the flat end goes in the front, like so. This is the hard part where you kind of have to clamp it down. My fingers are much too weak to clamp it down on its own, but I'm just gonna clamp that down. Nice and secure. I didn't end up burning the ends on that one, but here you go. Voila, our bookmark is almost done. So now you're gonna get your jump rings. They look just like this. When you go to open your O-ring, you don't want to open your O-ring, okay, because they're like this. You don't want to open your O-ring like this. You want your O-ring to open sideways, just like that. So here we go. Just like that, right? You're going to take your cute little bookmark, because you're crafty, and then you pick out your charms, whatever it is that you want. I'm going to go ahead and use this guy right here because I think it looks really pretty. And then it depends on how you do the placement, because you want your charm to be facing forward, not backwards. So look at that. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to go ahead and attach the other one. Again, taking our O-ring. Sorry, it's kind of hard to look into the camera and then in person. So just like that. And then again, taking our charm. I'm gonna loop it, and we're looping it in and closing it. You close it back just the way you opened it. Voila! Look how cute that is. And there you have it. You have your charm, your little charms hanging out of your books or your journals, and or like I said, you can even do like a little keychain. You take the same thing, say this little guy, well, just pretend that this was shorter, right? You would take these ends, and instead of charms, you would add a keychain, you know? Just your standard keychain. You can also pick those up with either Globeland. I've seen some on their site as well. So, how cute is that? And again, the chokers, the same little clamp goodies here too. You would just need a necklace lobster clasp. Lots of inspiration to be had with these. Lots of cute projects to work with crushed velvet. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna do one more with you guys, and then I'm gonna get to craft and making these cuties. Again, making a slight little dent at the end. And also, I try to, when you first get these, they come rolled up, and I'll show you exactly how they come. So they come like this. They come nice and rolled up, and they have a slight little crease. So I'm going to show you a video of how I went about trying to remove that. And if y'all have any other suggestions on how to fix that, please let me know in the comments down below. Take our little clamp again. I also want to say that I think I cut these down to 10 inches, so almost a foot. And again, you can custom cut it to however you want. I mean, it doesn't have to be the same size that I picked. Y'all can pick whatever size y'all want, because I don't know how big of a book you guys have, you know what I mean? The other thing that would look really cute, like I said, are beads. You can DIY some charms, which I'll probably make one with you guys in just a little bit. Or you can also do like cameos, because you know there's cameos that you can get that are really that are like charms, you know, that are very charming, I was gonna say. This. Right. And then our charm. Looking for our hole. Gotta play peekaboo with it. Oh, I had already had one right there. Oopsie. Alright. And then there we go. And 2 done. Just as simple as that. I've got some of these. You can make sure that they have like a little pin at the bottom. I'll show you guys what I mean, like a little flathead. Let's do 2 because we're gonna do 2. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take our beads from Globeland. And let's pick some colors. We've got some, let's see, some purples. Should we do like a fuchsia and a white? Let's do that. So we got our little thing here, and you honestly could add another little bead, which I think I want to do, so let me go ahead and grab that. Let's do a purple, because it's calling out to me. These are so much fun to make. Alright, so we got pinks and purples. Alright, I'm going to add the purple, just like that. So we got our 3 little beads. Then you'll take your round nose pliers, just like that. You switch your pliers and go over the top. And now you have something like this, right? And then you circulate it. Circle it. How horrible at explaining. And then from here I'm going to take my other pliers and just circle them. And I like to have a smooth interior on my pliers for this, because you can very well have some that have a grip. You see the difference between these two? I like something smooth so that when I am going in and circling the rest of this, and or you can cut it. So you see that? I'm going to try to use this to smooth it out, just going in circles until it goes flat. And then from here I'm going to take my other pliers and just circle them. Alright, so now that we have our sweet little beads, now we're going to go ahead and attach them to the end. Again, we're going to be using our little jump rings. There we go. I'm not going to close it all the way because I still haven't yet worked with the purple one, but I will get to attaching the ends real quick. These make for awesome gifts, and they are made with love, which I think is so very sweet. I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and it'll probably be sped up. Alright you guys, so there we have it. We have at least 3 little bookmarks that we have made, and I think they turned out quite sweet and pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and make some more of these off camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure and check out all the items and the listings and stuff down in the description below so that you guys can have some fun with some velvet trims just like this. And again, be sure and use my discount code Bianca10 so that you can save yourself 10% off of your purchase. That's gonna wrap it up for me, you guys. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. And again, a special thanks to Globeland. Y'all please take care. Bye!